Hello participants, welcome to the massive open online course on plagiarism, concept and precautions, PCP MOOC. Thank you very much for showing your interest and enrolling. Hope your journey throughout the course will be smooth and that you will be able to complete the course successfully. This course provides an opportunity to clear doubts and learn collaboratively through interaction, engagement and peer support. I am Rashmi Chauhan and I will be your course instructor in this course. Dear friends, as a researcher, teacher or supervisor, you definitely must have come across the issues of plagiarism. When you engage yourself in research activities, your key focus, I am sure, is not just the quality of research work, but also ensuring originality, which can result ultimately in good quality publications. This course has been developed keeping these points in view. The course broadly aims at promoting academic integrity and ethics among you as teacher educators and facilitating you for acquiring necessary skills to produce quality research work. Let us first discuss the objectives of the course. The very first objective of the course is to develop a conceptual understanding of plagiarism as an unethical and wrong academic practice and get you sensitized to the concept meaningfully. In this course, you will explore various classifications and types of plagiarism prevalent these days. We will help in understanding different types and forms with the help of examples, and you will also examine some text in the light of these classifications. After giving you an insight of various forms and types of plagiarism, you will be made aware of various software which are commonly being used to check plagiarism. Plagiarism is a serious legal issue and we need to resolve it soon as possible. The next objective thus is to work towards it and be able to adopt various measures to ensure originality of work. Many a times you must have heard that using citation is one among the key practices to avoid plagiarism. So this course will also discuss about various citation styles like APA, MLA, IEEE, Harvard, etc. and specifically in details about APA 7th edition, which is the latest one. I am sure that you are aware that to promote academic integrity in research in India, University Grants Commission (UGC) has notified promotion of academic integrity and prevention of plagiarism in higher educational institutions Regulations 2018. Nevertheless, one of the objectives of this course is to elaborate on the various important provisions dealt with in this regulation. After going through all the modules of this course, you will be able to be ready to adopt good research practices as a researcher, mentor and guide. Let me explain the course structure to you in brief. Dear participants, the content of this course has been distributed into 5 modules. We shall follow the modular approach keeping in view the objectives and availability of time. The modules are Understanding Plagiarism, Types of Plagiarism, Plagiarism Detection Software, Practices to Avoid Plagiarism, and Regulations on Plagiarism in India. The weekly modular approach will help you move smoothly in the course. The course duration is of 5 weeks. One module will be released every week and it requires 3 to 4 hours of your active learning. You are free to complete the module as per your pace, as once a module is released, it will remain open for the remaining weeks. Our suggestion to you is that you should aim at completing all the activities and components of one module in one sitting. Each module will begin with a module introduction. You will be given small chunks of e-text to read, 1 or 2 videos to watch, followed by reflection in the discussion forum. At times, you shall be given some activities to complete. Each module will end with a quiz which you will have to solve and which shall also make you aware of your level of understanding. This course is a non-credit course and there will be no summative examination as such. Your participation in discussion forums will not be graded. Only completion of activities, successfully attempting the quizzes and one terminal assignment will be part of the formal assessment. Once you complete all the 4 components, that is activities, discussion forum, quizzes and terminal assignment of each module, your course completion certificate will be uploaded, which you can download at leisure. So dear participants, let us begin our journey to explore more about plagiarism and be an ethical researcher. Welcome to this course once again.